In today's video, we're going to make our own body butter and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe has amazing moisturizing and therapeutic properties. It will leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Personally, I love using this body butter after I shave. I have extremely sensitive skin and it helps reduce any irritation. And a little goes a long way. And best of all, the ingredients are natural. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 8-ounce glass mason jar, 1 double boiler, 2 ounces of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight moisturizer. It can balance oil production and reduce spider veins. It also supports collagen and skin cell repair. 2 ounces of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer. It absorbs quickly, is an antioxidant, and is antifungal. 1 ounce of beeswax. Beeswax is also a moisturizer, antibacterial, and supports against inflammation. 3 ounces of shea butter. Shea butter is a deep moisturizer and supports against inflammation. Essential oils I like to use is 15 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of ylang ylang essential oil, 5 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Lavender essential oil can induce calm and improve blood circulation. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. It supports against inflammation. Ylang ylang essential oil may increase energy and improve blood circulation. It soothes irritated and dry skin. Lemongrass essential oil is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It has antiseptic properties and may improve blood circulation. Combine grapeseed oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax in a double boiler. Stir occasionally as they melt. Let cool and then add lavender, ylang ylang, and lemongrass essential oils. Add mixture to 8-ounce mason jar and let harden. Use within 6 months for best moisturizing benefits. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.